Hello, I am Joel, a member of Electrolux Professional Customer Care, and I would like to present today our last innovation in terms of contactless service that we have named 2 pairs of eyes. This new service is a tool which is a remote guidance system which is using augmented reality. Augmented reality concept is a bit blurry and only conceptual. With 2 pairs of eyes, it moves to a solid and concrete application. With 2 pairs of eyes, we provide you with a seamless video connection between you, your field service technician, and the Electrolux professional technical experts. The real customer experience starts when things go wrong. Waiting for service call line, appointments, distances, first fix issue your daily run for avoiding downtime in your business. Let's see 2 sessions showing how 2 pairs of eyes can shorten equipment downtime, reduce service costs, and as a consequence, overall running costs. Now we're going to start the second session with a field technician support. In fact, the chef calls, but he was not able to fix the issue by himself, so we send a technical support, a service technician on site, and then we're gonna try to help him to go faster and to reduce the unit downtime. Now Alessio, the service technician, is arriving on site, front of the oven. We have already set the video sharing with the 2 pairs of eyes. And he needs this assistance because he is a beginner in this type of product. So we need to share some documentation with him, like the service manual. So I am able with this tool to select a source and to share an Excel file, for example, or any sources. So we can see on Alessio mobile, then the file I share appeared, and then he can read it and take information from it. We have also the possibility to broadcast a video. So we have some videos showing how to chase and to find components in the oven. So it's possible to inform the technician with this video how to find the components and how to replace it. Then Alessio can start again his video sharing by pushing the video button, and then I get back the information from his mobile. Now Alessio will open the oven, the front panel, and I will show him which connector he will have to take out and replace the temperature probe of the cavity. So once again, with the ends overlay, I will be able to show Alessio which connector he will have to replace on all these different connectors on the main boards. So now Alessio has replaced the temperature probe, and the oven is back to work